Hey guys, welcome back to Anderson's Garage. I'm Jim. It's been a minute since we put out a video. We got a lot more coming for you. Check this out. This is a 2011 Chevy Cruze. And the power steering failed. It's electric power steering. It's driven off an electric motor. I'll show you right now. So that right there is the power steering motor. And yes, I've removed the plastic cap and the snap ring because this would not come off. It's loose, but it won't come off. So something I didn't know when I started this project for my cousin was that these modules, these power steering modules, have to be programmed with the car's VIN. I didn't find any information on YouTube about it. I didn't find actually anywhere, a definitive answer on whether or not they have to be programmed. Spent a lot of time researching it. Finally found out that yes, they have to be programmed. So we're gonna replace this with a brand new power steering rack and electric motor with a new module, and then we're gonna have somebody program it. I do have an X-Tool D8. It's a pretty nice scan tool. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the capability to program the VIN for the new power steering module. So if your power steering fails in your Cruze, you can attempt this job yourself. It's not that big of a job, but you are gonna have to find somebody to program it for you. I should already be set up to do this, and I kind of got out of this business for a little while. Got back into it a little while ago, and now here I am trying to play catch up. Not a good position to be in. So we did go over this and we checked the grounds. One of the things I noticed right away was that we could not communicate with the power steering module at all with the scan tool. We checked there was power going to it. We checked the communication wires. Everything seemed fine. Then I discovered that this heater hose, I bumped it with my elbow and it started to drip, and it dripped right on the power steering module down there. I kind of think that that's what wiped it out. Maybe that moisture, the antifreeze wicking into the module, and now we have failure to communicate.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
So for anybody out there that's curious on whether or not it has to be programmed, can you use an old one? Should you use a new one? Everything I've found says use a new motor, new power steering rack, and get it programmed. If you know otherwise, please let me know in the comments. This has been a headache. I've been trying to help my cousin. I'm stuck in this situation. So if you have any information relating to this, let me and everyone else know in the comments what your solution is. Thanks for watching.